As 2025 draws to a close, a question lingers in the air. Are you truly prepared to confront the challenges of 2026? In a world where the financial landscape is shifting at breakneck speed and every decision carries long-lasting consequences, planning is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. In today's presentation, we explore 6 essential financial steps that you must take before 2026 to safeguard and grow your financial future. Our journey begins with a clear-eyed assessment of your current financial situation. Imagine a moment of reflection. You sit down in quiet contemplation and review your income, expenses, debts, and goals. At its core, budgeting is not merely a set of numbers on paper. It is the blueprint for your financial freedom. A well-structured budget allows you to understand your spending habits and correct course where needed. It transforms overwhelming expenses into a series of manageable decisions, letting you see where every dollar can work harder on your behalf. As you write down your commitments, you uncover hidden patterns in your spending, insights that empower you to make intentional and impactful changes. Understand that this moment of self-assessment is your first step toward reclaiming control in an unpredictable economic climate. In today's climate, uncertainty looms large. With recent Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, the economic weather is softening just enough to offer hopeful signs of relief for many. Yet beneath these shifts lies the enduring truth. Financial challenges are here to stay. This is why proactive planning is paramount. Consider your budget as both a diagnostic and a prescription. The prescription? Understanding where adjustments are needed so that your finances remain resilient in the face of unexpected downturns. The clarity that comes with a well-planned budget is both empowering and liberating, giving you a sense of purpose and focus as you march toward a more secure future. Step 2 is rooted in the concept of safety and stability. Building a robust emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can test even the most disciplined planner. Experts advise maintaining an emergency fund that covers at least 6 months of living expenses, ideally in high-yield savings accounts offering competitive returns. When you set up automatic transfers to these accounts, you not only save without a second thought, but you also build a financial buffer that cushions you against unforeseen challenges. Imagine the reassurance of knowing that when life throws a curveball, a sudden medical bill, home repair, or an unplanned expense, you are not caught unprepared. In a rapidly changing economic landscape, peace of mind is as financially valuable as liquidity. Through dedicated saving, you construct a fortress of financial security, one steady brick at a time. Moving forward, Step 3 invites you to harness the potential of strategic investing. Investments are the engines that drive long-term wealth. And it is here that your money begins to work for you rather than merely resting in a bank account. Whether you are contributing to a Roth IRA, a 401k, or exploring other tax-advantaged avenues, every dollar invested today plants the seed for a bountiful harvest tomorrow. For instance, Roth IRA contribution limits have increased. Individuals under 50 can contribute up to $7,500, while those over 50 have even more room to grow their nest egg through catch-up contributions. This expanded threshold creates an opportunity to embrace a more aggressive savings strategy. In addition to steady contributions, consider the merits of tax loss harvesting, a sophisticated strategy that involves selling underperforming assets to offset capital gains. Such tactics not only optimize your financial tax liabilities, but also fortify your portfolio against market volatility. Investing is not just about taking risks. It is about calculated decisions that balance growth and security. Step 4 centers on diversifying your income streams. In today's economy, relying on a single source of income can be perilous. Diversification is more than just a buzzword, it is a financial safeguard. Imagine supplementing your primary income with side hustles, freelance work, or leveraging AI-powered tools to manage and grow a small business. New technologies are making it easier than ever to break into additional streams of income. For example, automated invoicing and digital marketing tools streamline the process of managing a side business, enabling you to reach a broader audience without the traditional overhead. In embracing diversification, you not only enhance your earning potential, but also build a portfolio that can weather economic downturns with resilience and versatility. The art of diversification transforms financial uncertainty into an arena of opportunity and growth. Step 5 directs your attention toward the small yet significant details of everyday spending. Reviewing and canceling unused subscriptions, for instance, represents a practical step towards reducing unnecessary expenses. Research shows that the average consumer spends more than $200 a month on services that often go unnoticed, with only a fraction of that value truly enhancing daily life. By diligently auditing recurring costs, you can free up funds that could be better applied towards savings or investments. This task might seem mundane, but it cultivates a habit of financial mindfulness. In a world laden with digital subscriptions and recurring fees, every little dollar reclaimed makes a difference in bolstering your overall financial health. Finally, Step 6 brings us to a comprehensive year-end financial review. As 2025 closes its chapter, it is your opportunity to reflect on the lessons learned and plan for what lies ahead. This review involves analyzing your spending patterns, reassessing your financial goals, and preparing for inevitable changes in tax policy and economic conditions. For example, initiatives such as the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, taking effect on January 1, 2026, introduce new rules that impact charitable contributions and itemized deductions. Staying informed about these evolving policies allows you to adjust your strategy to maintain optimal tax efficiency and financial growth. The year-end review is not merely a reflection but a strategic planning session. It is the moment when you consolidate your progress, refine your approach, and set a clear, actionable roadmap for the coming year. Throughout these steps, a recurring theme emerges: empowerment through proactive financial management. Whether you are tightening your budget, building an emergency fund, investing strategically, diversifying your income, eliminating unnecessary expenses, or conducting a thorough year-end review, every action is a step toward a secure, resilient future. Imagine standing at the threshold of 2026 with confidence and clarity, knowing that you have taken deliberate action to fortify your financial foundation. The modern financial landscape is rife with uncertainties, from shifting interest rates to new regulatory measures. But with each strategic step, you are building a legacy of stability and growth. This is not merely about survival, it is about thriving amidst change. As you consider the implications of new policies, such as the Financial Conduct Authority's upcoming targeted support, or marvel at the innovative tools that empower you to diversify income streams, you are reminded that every moment offers a fresh opportunity for progress. Consider the weight of reassessing your financial life as you move from a reactive to a proactive stance. In each decision, from scrutinizing your spending habits to embracing the opportunities offered by expanded retirement contributions, you instill a spirit of resilience. You smooth out the rough edges of uncertainty through meticulous planning, and in doing so, you prepare not just for a new year, but for a future where your financial security remains steadfast regardless of external conditions. Every choice, every small change you make today, is a bright beacon guiding you toward your goals in a world that is anything but predictable. Throughout our journey, we have witnessed the importance of balancing caution with courage. While the path toward financial security is studded with challenges, be it uncertain market conditions or evolving tax laws, it is also lined with opportunities waiting to be seized. By taking decisive action now, you transform potential obstacles into stepping stones. Each of the 6 steps is a piece of a larger puzzle, When assembled, they reveal a picture of empowerment, resilience, and unwavering confidence. You are not merely preparing for 2026. You are laying the groundwork for a lifetime of financial well-being. As we reach the close of our exploration, let these insights resonate with you. Remember that every budget review sharpens your focus. Every savings milestone builds your safety net. Every investment decision plants the seeds of future prosperity. Every added income stream protects against economic turbulence. Every canceled subscription reflects intentional spending, and every year-end review cements your path forward. These are not isolated tasks. They are interlocking components of a comprehensive strategy designed to transform uncertainty into opportunity. In our fast-evolving economic environment, standing still is not an option. To truly secure your financial destiny, you must adapt, prepare, and act with purpose. The teachings we have discussed are more than guidelines. They embody a mindset of proactive empowerment. As you integrate these 6 crucial steps into your financial routine, you embrace the power to shape your own future. Every calculated move lights the way toward a more confident, controlled, and ultimately successful financial life. Take control of your future with these 6 essential steps. Embrace the power of a carefully planned budget, build a robust emergency fund, invest wisely and strategically, diversify your income streams, cut unnecessary expenses, and commit to a thorough year-end review. With each action, you write a new story, one where you are the author of your financial destiny, leading you confidently into 2026 and beyond. Take control of your financial destiny today by implementing these 6 crucial steps before 2026 arrives.